Once you have the hood secure, what you're going to do is find the battery on the right side, and then right behind that and to the right you'll see the fuse box and relay cover. And what you're going to do is there's a tab here, and then there's some little hooks in the back. So you're just going to push this, lift up, and you will turn that over. Nice thing about a fuse and relay box is on the inside top of the cover there is the diagram, and you'll see what all the fuses and relays go to. There are some spares here, it says, that are here in the lower corner. So these are spares right here for the fuses, and you can typically find a 10 amp fuse here. If you pull out your fuses, you can see if they're blown, but if you're not sure, you can just swap them, find a non-essential component and swap those fuses and see if that fixes the problem. If it does, you know it's your fuse. Same holds true for the relays, depending on what that relay is running. So as you can see, these are coded, so I would switch a blue with the blue and the grays with the gray. When you're done, you can see that there's the couple tabs here. We're going to just make sure that we get this aligned properly. It should seat nicely, and then we're just going to push down, and I hear those, and then push the front, and we're going to make sure that's secure. Lift up firmly, because we don't want this popping off and having a bunch of debris get in there. And that's how you get into your fuse and relay box cover. Best of luck. Hopefully that helps. Please like and subscribe.